good afternoon. It's kind of dark over here. That's a little bit better. It has been a very busy morning work-wise. I just needed to come down and get some tea, and I have on my, y'all know I love me a good Christmas shirt. This one says Grinchmas vibes, but on the sleeve, drink up Grinches. So this is one of my fun Christmas shirts. The tea that you saw me making is oregano, thyme, lavender, and mint. And yes, all of those herbs can be used for several purposes other than cooking. You can actually make teas with them. And this is really good for, I just like the taste of it, but it's good for nausea. It's good for cramping. So all my girlies out there who have really bad cramping situations during your cycle, try some oregano mint tea. I'm not too sure if thyme helps with it, and I don't have my phone, so let me go grab my phone and I'm gonna see what thyme actually helps with. I just like the flavor that it gives the tea. It like really goes well with the fresh oregano. It was dried, but it was cut fresh. And then the mint, which I keep a mint plant in the house. That's where I use mint for a lot of stuff because I love mint. Let me grab my phone and see what thyme is good for. All right, today is the 4th. Oh, I gotta get my mammogram this afternoon at 4:10. So I'm gonna try to take y'all with me. I'm not sure if they will allow me to bring the camera in, but for anyone who has questions about mammograms, you know what the place looks like. It's just a regular doctor's office like everywhere else. It just has all the diagnostic machines. So I'm gonna see if they will allow me to show you what the mammography machines look like. And you know, this is my 10th mammogram. I started getting them at 40, so 10 years, and here I am still getting them, and thank you Lord that I have, you know, been good to go. Now let's see what time is for. Wikipedia always be trying to charge you for something. Let me show y'all what Wikipedia, man, they be wanting your money. Look, Wikipedia still can't be sold. However, if you give them $2.75, they'll let you read off of their site. Look at that. I'm not giving you that. I can go back to Google and Google will send me somewhere else. Let's see. Benefits of thyme. Thyme benefits. Thyme is a popular herb with many potential health benefits, but can also have side effects. Benefits. Thyme can help with digestion, calm and upset. Oregano and thyme are the same. They're good for upset stomach. They helps reduce stress. It may also help with respiratory health, fight infection, and reduce inflammation. That's good to know. I ain't never looked up what thyme was good for, but that's amazing. I know my ear is ringing. Oh, that is driving me nuts. I also know that oregano is good for, it has benefits that can help with lowering blood pressure. So I think that's what it was. I think they said oregano was good for blood pressure. Let me just double check because I don't want to give y'all wrong information. Oregano. What do people call it? I've heard people call it, they don't say oregano. They say oregano. Something. I don't see it. What is I was about to say oregano. Oregano. Let's see. What does oregano do for the body? Reduces inflammation. What else? Anti-inflammatory. So oregano and thyme are, you know, within that same, with those same things, same benefits. It's good. Helps with weight loss. It helps your skin. Let's see. Helps with blood. I knew it was something about blood in there. Blood clots. That's what it helps with, blood clots. It helps to prevent blood clots. I don't have any issue with any of that, other than inflammation. I do. And then, you know, lavender just helps to relax. And I have to get back to work, so I want to make sure that, you know, I'm soothing and, you know, calm or whatever. Anyway, I wanted to come on also to tell y'all about Vlogmas. For some of you who have never done it or have an interest in doing it, and some people are like, what the heck is Vlogmas? We see people talking about Vlogmas. What is it besides Christmas, right? So Vlogmas, it's really a time when you can choose how often you post, just like with anything else. Some people do 12 days of Christmas, the 12 days leading up to Christmas. Some do the 12 days after Christmas, and then some do just a full week of Christmas activities or something. My goal is to, last year I did every single day. I did 25 days of Christmas. I think I actually did a few more after Christmas too. This year my goal is to do 15 days. If y'all get 25, snap it up for me, because that's a little icing on the cake. All right, and then I wanted to share some Vlogmas ideas with you. So I have my little handy dandy notebook. Some of these I'm gonna do, some of them I'm not. This is a compilation of ideas from my brain and some other ladies and gentlemen brains all over social media, okay? Oh, and one other thing, one of my good friends here on social media, Amber, who's an author, she's doing the Vlogmas. She's doing Vlogmas via shorts. So she's doing the Vlogmas idea, but she's not vlogging the whole time. She's doing shorts. So there's so many different ways that you can do Vlogmas. So here are some quick ideas. You could do a cozy night routine, a Christmas night where you do like set up your Christmas movies, or you could choose a night to just decorate everything, ice skating, make a special drink, decorating your Christmas tree. What is your Christmas playlist? What are some of your favorite Christmas songs? I'm talking too fast. I'm getting ahead of myself. What are your favorite Christmas movies? Good gracious. Let's see. What is your winter skincare routine? Donating to a charity, baking cookies. What do you do on Christmas morning? Let's see. Gingerbread house contest, Christmas shopping, create an ugly sweater or an ornament or some type of Christmas activity or Christmas craft. You can do your vision board. You can do your goal setting for the upcoming year. You can spend a day with me Christmas style or holiday style, because I know a lot of people don't celebrate Christmas. Some people celebrate Hanukkah, different holidays that you celebrate. So make it your own. You could do a Christmas deep clean. I'm checking the clock to make sure I'm not late to go log back in. You can make cocoa bombs, lights, like Christmas light tours, like where you drive through neighborhoods, or like how retail stores do it. Like, you know, if you were in New York, you could see all of the stores in Times Square that are lit up. Decorating your house for Christmas. You can do a solo date. You can go thrifting. Christmas Town, which is in Williamsburg. That's here at Williamsburg Busch Gardens, that is. You could do assorting your decorations, like I did that one already. You could show your Christmas haul, make Christmas candles. What does it say? My chicken scratch. Oh, you could do a hot cocoa bar. If you have like Christmas festivals in your area, Christmas parades, those are some things. You could have like a Christmas Eve party instead of a Friendsgiving. You can do a Friendsmas where you get together with friends and family, have like a little fun together. You could do a game night. There are so many different options for doing Vlogmas that, you know, you could do. I have some that I'm definitely doing off of this list, and you know, as time goes on, I may create some more and just add to it. And whatever I do this year, I'll cross it off, just in case I decide to do it next year. I won't do those same things exactly the same way. Now, I'm always gonna do my Christmas decorations. I'm always gonna decorate my Christmas tree, and I'm always gonna be guaranteed to make some nice Christmas drinks and some Christmas food. Another thing I'm gonna definitely do, I will always have a Christmas Eve party. So those are just some ideas of things that you can do. So my Christmas mug is Mrs. Claus. That aroma of all of those herbs, you can just smell them from this, you know, with it. I did put some honey in here. Did I show y'all that? Yeah, I did show you. So I am going to get back upstairs, log back in from my lunch hour, and then we will reconvene when we go to get our mammogram, and that is at 4:10. And if they don't let me video it, then I will just tell you the procedure when I get out of it. I could tell it to you now, but I'm hoping that I can show you the machines. And I know they're not gonna let me video me getting my mammogram, but if I can just show you, then you know what it looks like, then I'll be pleased with just that. But anyway, I'll be back and talk to y'all in a few minutes. Oh, forgot my tea. So this is the mammography machine. That's where she would use that to use the arm to do the compression and all that.
Yes, exactly.
And it's just a basic office. Well, nothing scary about it. Oh, see? She just moved it down for you. So she did let me show the machine, so that was exciting. And now I'm gonna show you the room. All right, so hey, you have a locker here where you can lock your purse and things up. They have a gown, which I'll show you my beautiful gown once I get it on. They have these wipes. If you accidentally wear deodorant, you can use those to wipe the deodorant off. If you happen to fall, they have a call for help button. And then you can hang your purse and your jacket, or you can put it inside the little cubby hole. I have my little shirt on. I have my key. My things are all locked. And now let's go and get this mammogram done. I'm back home. Got me some soup. So homemade soup from my parents. And now it's time that I bid you adieu, because I got to get ready to edit this video. It is 7:23. I'm editing again much later than planned. Hopefully tonight is the last night that I'll be editing real late. I shouldn't have been editing late today, but I stayed at my parents' house for a while, so it's well worth the reason why I'm editing late. So y'all will probably get this video. It's probably gonna be about 9 or 9:30, maybe 10, but y'all gonna see me tonight. So yeah, I think that's it for today. And me and Mrs. Claus, me, the Grinch, and Mrs. Claus, hold on. You matter. We're gonna tell y'all good night. No, that's not a Christmas song. I was gonna say good night, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Do. All right, I'm out. Peace.